The Congress party seems to be supporting Nitish Kumar and his statements. Congress party's Udit Raj is now batting for Nitish Kumar, saying that Nitish Kumar's remarks are absolutely right. There is nothing wrong in the remarks that were made by the State Chief Minister. Aditi, what does Udit Raj say?
Right. Udit Raj has said, and let me read it out. नीतीश कुमार जी ने जो सेक्स पर बोला वो बिल्कुल सही है. प्रेगनेंसी बोलने में तो शर्म नहीं आती, लेकिन गर्भ या गर्भवती कहने में शर्म आती है. The major fact of this tweet is that he says the Congress party's Udit Raj is saying that while the people are comfortable talking about these things in English, they are not very comfortable when such language is spoken in Hindi. But Amita, to clear out why this is questionable is the way Nitish Kumar said it in the assembly. The choice is not the question, but the sexual overtones that he used, and that's why the activists and the women in the country are outraged, because the way he said it inside the assembly is what is not acceptable.
Right, Aditi, thank you for that.